Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can erase all your data in your Samsung Galaxy A10. How you can erase all data. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to go to settings option. Then you can see there is a this interface. Then swipe down, you can see there is a accounts and backup option. Click on it, swipe down, you can see there is a option Samsung Cloud, and then there is a reset option. Click on it, reset, and swipe down, you can see there is a last option, factory data reset. It reset your mobile phone to factory default settings. This will erase all your data including files and downloading apps. If you have any other Gmail ID, so you can just remove it. You can log out from, and you have to just click on the factory reset. And if you have removed your Gmail IDs, then you have to simply just reset it and it will be reset. And I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like video. Comment down for more videos. Thanks for watching.